I really wanted to find a supplement that could help to relieve my cough, but mainly long-term strengthen my respiratory health. So I came across Lignosus. So Lignosus helped to relieve my stubborn cough and it kicked out the mucus. And I really feel like my immunity is at a peak right now. So yeah, I'm really pleased. This product is 100% organic, which is natural and safe to take and really important to me. Check out other people's reviews. They all seem to be saying the same thing as me. So yeah, big thumbs up.